Struggling with missed trading opportunities and locked up assets? Discover how CoinPanel's innovative stop orders can transform your trading strategy. Here at CoinPanel, we've developed our own powerful approach to stop orders, independent of exchange mechanisms. Here's how it works. Set a trigger price, and when the market crosses this price, we immediately place a limit or market order at the target price. The key advantage is that this order is not on the exchange until the trigger price is crossed. This means no block on the underlying asset. This allows you to run a great trading strategy where the same balance can be used on multiple pairs. Only the one that reaches the trigger price first will be placed. For example, with just $100, you can place a limit buy order for 1 ETH at $100, 0.01 BTC at 10K, and 10 SOL at $10 each. Ready to elevate your trading? Try CoinPanel's fully customizable interface today. Try it now for free.